Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. This unboxing is from PaintGem. They actually sent these items for me to review, so thank you to PaintGem. So after my first unboxing of PaintGem did contact me, and they actually apologized to me for having the wrong names on their set. So if you saw my previous unboxing from PaintGem, I did the Houseplant edition, and I had a couple viewers comment that the names that were on the box were wrong and I should go on their website to find the right names. So I think at some point I will fix these names here on this album, but PaintGem actually contacted me and apologized that the one that I had the wrong names and I should check out their website, and then they also offered to for me to get some more sets. So these are the two that I chose. These are their newest sets as of my recording of this video. I got the Ocean Edition and the Bird Edition. Well, Bird and Ocean Edition here. So both of these sets are $39.90. There are lots of coupon codes around, so look out for that. I do actually have my own coupon code, which I'll put down below, and I will get a tiny bit of commission if you use the code. But you will also get some savings by using the code too. So they do come in these nice boxes here, and they have the what should be in the back here. So let's see. Lobster, yep, that looks like a lobster. Octopus, bull shark. I don't know what a bull shark looks like, but I'll go for it. Yeah. Blue whale, seahorse, starfish, sea turtle, great white shark, tuna, jellyfish, crab, marlin, clownfish, koi carp, Red Sea bannerfish, and pufferfish. So, well, I think the fishes might be correct. So they come with this canvas bag here that says PaintGem. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, it comes with this plastic white tweezers, but they are pretty sharp. White pen here, white sparkly pen, 3-placer, heart wax here, and it looks like there's just one heart wax. Looks like it's too big to fit on the other side. And then a white tray. It just looks like the ordinary white tray. There. And then the drills do come in the baggies. And from my first set, the drills are resin. Let me see. Look at those colors. Look at that awesome colors. Like look at how like nicely, look, there's like just how nicely arranged it is. There's like some grays, blues, and then look at the reds, and then greens, and then yellows, and then some blues more here and some whites. So it's nicely arranged by color. It's beautiful. I think these do look like resin drills also, and these are squares. As far as I know, don't take my word for it, but I think all of the PaintGem diamond paintings are squares. But they're so small that if you're intimidated by squares, these should be a little bit easier for you to get into squares. So comes with some tips here, do some multi-placing. It comes with sticker labels. You can frame your results, avoid dry out. Taking a break, put the clear film back on the adhesive layer, and there's some sort of QR code. Don't know what happens when you go to that QR code. And then it tells you how to diamond paint here. So this one looks like it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 36, 37 colors here. Comes with some labels, and all the symbols, even though they are not in order, look like they are letters and numbers, except for a couple symbols over here. Some weird symbols, like an umbrella and a firebolt. I mean a firebolt. Lightning bolt. Is there such a thing as fire? Firebolt was the broom for Harry Potter. All right. So this one is the Red Sea bannerfish here. It's cute. Oh, okay. Let me see. Have they gotten better at their cutting? You know what? I think they've gotten, like the first set I got, the cutting, I had a couple that were too small, like, and I was like, what? But I think it looks much nicer, like a little bit, like it does look a little bit more even how it got cut. And it's a little actually a bit bigger than a 4x6. Like usually the frame that you would buy for these to fit this in the American picture sizes would be the 4x6. And it does look like it'll still fit the 4x6, but it's actually bigger than the 4x6, which I like because, like I said, my previous one, I had a couple that were actually smaller than 4x6. So this, I do like that it seems like it's much better cut. So, yay for improvements. So, here's the Red Sea bannerfish. This is the koi carp there. I'm guessing this is supposed to go this way. Crab. Jellyfish here. This is the tuna. Yeah, tuna. Currently where my dad lives is in General Santos in the Philippines, and they have like a tuna festival there. Apparently there's a lot of tuna there. This must be a shark. Great white shark. Turtle, sea turtle. Starfish. This is the clownfish, like in Finding Nemo. This is a swordfish. Is there a swordfish? This is the marlin. That's upside down. That's the blue whale. Seahorse. What is that? Shamu? It's called a bull shark. Octopus. Lobster. And pufferfish. They're cute. Oh, that's kind of funny. There's actually a number on the bottom, like that says number 1, but this is all the way at the bottom here. Lobster says number 2, it's all the way up there. So not sure how the numbers got numbered and how it got ordered onto there. You know, I think after number 1, which is not in the right place, it's actually in order. So I think they're cute. All right, let's show the other set. I'm not going to show all the stuff for the other one as much as I did for this one, because I figure it'll be the same, right? Oh, and there's the drills. I'm not going to take them out because they're so nicely packed in there. Look at it's beautiful. Like I like how the gradient that they chose to put this in. I think it's mainly because when they did this legend here, if you notice, the legend is not in DMC order. The letters are not in alphabetical or numerical order, but they do look like they're grouped by color instead. I wonder if it's when they were charting it, like how few colors can we put together with, because, you know, they're all different pictures. They're like, okay, we need a green. So what green can we use? And so then they're like, how many greens can we get away with just doing? So the Ocean Edition, actually, their website actually has some really good information on there. It says it's 10,003 gems. So this next one is the Bird Edition. I was going to get the butterflies, but I was like, no, Joan, you have so many butterflies. Get something else. So I was like, I could get the ocean edition because it's nice and colorful. And then for whatever reason, I really like bird diamond painting. So I was like, pick the bird one. So this bird one has 37 colors too, and 16. There's 16 pictures in both of these. And this one has 9,304 gems. So 1,000 less gems, I guess, I think, than the other one. Oh no, like 700 less gems. So these ones will be a little bit more partial. So some grays here. And like I said, they pack them by color. So it's a nice gradient when you see it in this thing here. And I'm assuming the toolkit's going to be the same. Yeah, it looks like the same toolkit. Oh wait, this one has a squishy. I don't think I had a squishy in the other one. Oh no, I do. I could feel it. There's a squishy. It just must have left it at the bottom of the bag. Okay. So this is the bird edition. So 37 colors. It does look like it is mainly letters. Looks like you have an up arrow, star, the lightning bolt, and then some like a dash or a slash, backslash. Oh, and then have the lovely cheat sheet here, because I think I will have more problems distinguishing these than the previous one. So this looks like a pelican. Yep, I'm right. It says pelican here. This is the chicken. I'm gonna be like, it says it says a pheasant. Very colorful there. Eagle. Yep, I'm right. Hummingbird. My first diamond painting actually that I ever did was a hummingbird. I don't know. What is this one? Crane bird. Crane bird. Is this a swan? Yep, it's a swan. A dove, my guess. No, this is a pigeon. It still looks like a dove to me. Was that a quail? Come on, I want to be right sometimes. Oh, this one says it's a mandarin duck. Penguin. Is this a parrot or a toucan or something? It's a toucan. It's a ostrich. It's a peacock. Ooh, this is like the perfect one that I would replace these with the rhinestones, because why not? It's a peacock. Flamingo. Actually, no idea. This one is called the tit bird. Don't know either. This one is a Christmas robin. Owl. Yep, owl. And parrot. I don't know. I'm so sure it's a parrot. Yeah, this one's a parrot. So is this one a nicer cut too? Yeah, I think this one is much nicer cut than the previous one that I had gotten, where a couple of them were short. And yes, it does look like it. The thing is a little bit bigger than a 4x6, but I think we'll fit a 4x6 here. So yeah, I'm not gonna show you the finish at the end of this video, mainly because I think my finish will be long anyway, because I'm going to include like me putting them into one of these things here. And I kind of want to do these a little slower than I had done my last PaintGem. You know, do them how you're supposed to do them, where you kind of just do like one at a time, just so that you could feel like you have a finish. But here is my last PaintGem. Ignore the words because they're probably wrong. So I did the plant edition one, the house plant. I think it's a house plant. It says house plant edition. I do have a couple more frames that I got from the Dollar Tree. Albums that I got from the Dollar Tree. So these albums I just got from the Dollar Tree. And wait, I think there's actually only 12 12 sleeves on this, and there's 16 of these things. So yeah. I might have to double up in some of them. But yeah, that was my houseplant edition one here. So yeah, here is the two I got. It just won't be able to show everything here. So you might have seen the kitting up for one of these sets before you see this video. I do plan to kit this up, both of them, and then just kind of work on them as I feel like doing. So yeah, that's all I have for today. So thank you to PaintGem for sending these items for review, and thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye!